What's up, you guys? Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today, I'm on a new construction house and we're looking inside this breaker box here. Got a small issue inside of it, so I'm gonna take you in for a closer look. Check it out. All right, so inside this box, you got 15 amp circuits and you got 20 amp circuits. And the 15 amp circuits are wired with 14 gauge wire and the 20 amp circuits are wired with 12 gauge wire. This is correct. You can't really see it from the video, but there is a visual difference. You might be able to see it here though. We got 4 20 amp circuits. This one looks good, this one looks good, this one looks good, but this one looks a bit small to me. But we don't want to go just visually here. I want to take my wire tester, my wire gauge tester, and put it on here, and you can see when I do, that 14 slides right on there. So this is a 14 gauge wire wired to a 20 amp breaker, and that is an incorrect size breaker for that wire. So as you can see, we sometimes have mistakes that happen even on new construction electrical systems. Okay guys, Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspectors. I'm gonna go finish inspecting this house. Call me to inspect your next house.